now the market open
What's up, YouTube? How's everyone? Sorry, I was just talking with Team Bull there, talking with Greg. Welcome in. If I take a trade, you all will know it. Remember, we had a massive move in the market yesterday, so let's be careful. Can make for difficult trading conditions. But I'm watching the demand right here, as you see on the screen, right below that pre-market. Good morning. You will hear Team Bull in the background, so just because they take a trade doesn't mean I do. Feel free to trade with them. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Glad to be back with you all. Can everyone see my screen and hear me well? Yes, it is, Jim. My first time live this week on YouTube. Welcome. I would too, and it was my top setup, so. Maybe it just invalidates and we just get a nice trend down. How's that sound? We just look for, if it invalidates, we'll just look for the trend down. Look at this massive trade Grizzology caught this morning. Massive win for those that are subscribed. Marcus opening, yeah. Let's roll. Let's do this. No, not taking no confirmation candles with the opening candle, everyone. Just a heads up. Not a good time to enter a trade. Even though we are in my top highest probability zone of the day, I hate that it hit right off the open.
like 44, like this level that we are about to touch, 44.
No trade to be made here for me, everyone. I'm just waiting, being patient. I got I like this zone on ES, everyone. It's below. For those that have Grizzology, help me watch that zone below. So real quick, everyone, I posted it in the Bears Den channel on my Instagram, but I found a pretty cool prop firm if you all want to give it a try.
Thank you, sure, guys.
Greg took NQ shorts.
What up, Team Bull?
He just entered a trade. He just entered a trade.
Beautiful. Entry was 34, guys. 34.
That's for NQ shorts coming in from Greg.
Who's making money? Who's streaming, guys? Streaming. Jeez, was quick. Streaming hard. Streaming some more, guys. A few runners. Let's gonna go for 961. 961.
Anyways, sorry about that. I'm not taking a trade here, everyone. If we get confirmation to the downside, I'll try some. There's no confirmation for me here. It's called, let me just show you all. I'll just show you all. Funded Futures Network. Check it out. Use code Grizzly if you try them. They got like a crazy deal going on, and they allow you to use bots. So that's why, I like them. One of the reasons I like them so much. But they also offer one-on-one call when you board with them. So check them out. If you know about the bot, you know. It's being built right now, Ryan. I have a meeting today again on it. I'll drop some information on my Instagram. I'll drop an update on my Instagram today for you all on the bot being built. Funded Futures Network. Actually, I'll just post I'll post the link on my story on Instagram today for you all. Okay, just make sure you use code Grizzly if you're gonna try to get the discount. They have a crazy sale going on right now.
This one has a potential of mega trade, but I was already stopped out in profit, so. You're welcome. You're welcome, Agustin. You're welcome, Timbul.
I'm still waiting on my short entry, everyone. I'll let you know if I hop in. I'm watching ES and NQ this morning. They both look good, so I have both up if you plan on taking the trade with me when it confirms. No, I don't know if I would double it, but you know, just watching.
You're welcome, Gary. $61 is a good level. And 99.
I use a 5 minute most of the time, Jack. It tends to work best. For me, at least. Some people prefer the 1 minute. I guess, you know, if it matches, you know, if it works, it works. Whatever.
Now that Greg is not in a trade, good morning, everybody.
Good morning. How's your morning been?
It's been good, bro. How's your morning been?
Good.
Morning, Glenny. What's up, Marco? I had to read my something weird
Good
happened.
morning, Jacob.
What's up, Greg? I think my power went out or something last night, so I had to restart. And my computer was like off this morning.
Hopefully this isn't a morning where we don't get the pullback again. I would like to have a pullback closer to pre-market lows.
Play the games again this morning, huh?
And we are going to 899, guys.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome. Run them likes up at the top for me. Where it has a thumbs up, run them up. If I take a trade, I'll let you all know. If you have any questions, just drop them in chat. You all are like, I'm not liking this. You took too many days off from being live. Oh, come on. Give us the pullback and give us the confirmation candle that we want. Don't chase, everyone. Could pull back to pre-market low anytime. Moves like this are better. Just wait on confirmation. If you miss out, you just miss out. You don't want to get smoked. What you call catching a falling knife.
Get my music playing. We're gonna be off to the races.
Okay, guys, eyes on 899. Or close to 899. So, right now we are touching a daily level 61. It looks they want to go down to 899.
That's awesome. Come on.
Taking more trade and just practicing.
Push up. Give us a pullback. No, we haven't really confirmed yet. So ideally we wait closer to pre-market low.
Oh, that the eval passer, baby. Congrats. What next?
Nice people passing accounts. Beautiful. Making money passing accounts. That's what we do.
So we're filling that gap to the downside on the ES. Can you see? Looks like we're filling the gap below on ES at least. Previous gap up we had on 25th. Sorry. The 23rd, rather. Excuse me. Anyone sipping some good coffee right now besides me? If you're not following my Instagram, you all should be, and make sure you join the Bears Den channel on there. It's free, more free game. You can find all my socials, grizzlytrades.com. Nice. I was drinking regular Folgers. You all got me beat. I like Folgers. Pod. I got a pod. I just make it out of it. I like it better in a pot, though.
Well, let's see. We just about have our 15-minute zone set up. So, trade time is officially approaching. We got our 15-minute high, 15-minute low set up. Now let's just wait for the trend to confirm. Not fully sold on downside yet. Partially, not fully. I need to see how some of these 5-minute and 1-minute candles play out. What about you, Grizzly? You strictly watching downside, or what's on your map right now?
Yeah, there's no upside watch for me right now. Just waiting on a little more pullback.
Feel it. I mean, hey, the trend's down. Maybe it's worth at least a try.
I mean, I would like this another zone I'm watching is that pre-market high on ES for if we do push up for a reject. So
We'll play though. I like this 5-minute candle. Had more volume on that push back up. Something I usually look for if I was scalping longs.
This candle could confirm downside. Hopefully there's not too much risk on it. We'll see. Still got a few minutes before close. Oh. Good morning. Welcome in. Come on. Don't you break. I need this candle to chill out. No, we haven't missed the entry. We've not confirmed. I wasn't interested in the touch. I wanted to see a confirmation. That is why we wait on confirmation.
And that volume confirmation to the upside would have worked out.
Yeah, 61 was a good level, you see. 30 points down for the liquidity sweep, then popping.
ES is now testing pre-market low.
Damn. Oh, I should have followed my plan. As soon as I seen that 5-minute reversal candle here on the screen share, with that higher 5-minute volume, a lot of times in the next candle open, you can set your stop below this wick. Try to write it up. This would have been like 50, 60 cents worth of price, 60 cents worth of risk for a potential $1 or $1.50 move up. So I'm going to look for upside now. If you decide you have a short entry, Grizzly, please take it.
Yeah, this news, if anything confirms for me, it looks like it's going to be right when the news hits.
Yeah. I'll just let you know, you won't offend me if you take something opposite. Please take it. You'll probably be right.
I don't see anything confirming right now. I'm just glad I have built the patience to wait on setups. if we don't catch a trade. This candle here could definitely confirm to the downside. I'll let you all know. If we get above VWAP, I'm not, more than likely, I'm not going to watch for the downside entry. VWAP's at 20,048. Brian, I assure you will know it when you see it on Grizzology here. My indicator will show it. If it doesn't, I'll just watch price action myself. Go put my other phone
This
on.
is your routine reminder, team. Bolt choose discipline over dopamine. Follow your plan. Don't revenge trade. Don't force trades. Stay patient. Follow your system. A+ setups only. Focus on taking one step forward today. Small steps forward. Every single thing adds up over time.
Plan on live trading quite a bit next week on here YouTube, so make sure you're here. Well, Jaden, you had it right.
Yeah, I thought so, man. Typically, when I see that particular candlestick with increasing volume in the 5-minute, you'll get at least some sort of pop. Now, whether that's sustained, it's not really a trend confirming move, but usually works out for at least a scalp, for sure.
I have a solid setup I'm watching on ES, everyone. Pre-market high around that 766 we get up there. I'm gonna watch for a possible short entry. I know I have NQ up. Do you all see anything you like, YouTube, that you're watching on NQ or ES? Always down to check it out.
Okay, let's find a century, baby. They took my first one away. Idea was right. Execution wasn't there. I still like upside right now. I'm gonna be completely real with you. Till we show otherwise, we're getting really good volume on these upside candles. I don't want to chase this peak, obviously. So
Waiting for the news, me too. Very smart. I'm gonna let this news get out of the way, then reevaluate things here, see where we're at. I still like the pre-market high reject on ES though. Pre-market 5772.75, and the bottom of my zone is at 5766. A lot of times what happens when you do this is one of the worst, what's the way to put it? My least favorite types of days when we do this.
Take care. Have a good day.
Get you some rest, Greg. Peace.
Thank you. Have a good day, my friend. Bye-bye.
See you, Greg.
How's everyone's week been since I haven't been live? You all made some money this week? There's data dropped. This week has been much easier to trade than the previous two, for sure. Where I've been just hanging out with my daughter, spring break and all, and just taking it easy. I needed a little break from the live myself. Y'all want to hear a crazy story while we're waiting on a trade? It's not stock market related. Something I experienced yesterday. Okay, alright, I'm gonna tell you all. I'm still watching. We're not in my ES zone yet. So anyways, I have quail, right? Like, you know, quail, the birds. I have like some outside. You eat their eggs, whatever. Anyways, a hawk comes in. Like, I set them out in their cages, like when the sun, let them get some sun. But a hawk, I come inside, a hawk flies down, like, destroys one through the cage. Just wildest thing. So now that hawk is my worst enemy at the moment. For real though, it's massive. not something you experience every day. And the cage, the crazy thing is the holes in the cage are like not barely an inch wide. Just enough for like them to get their head through. Anyways, that's the story. Focus on trading. We're pushing up.
That freaking upside.
Bro's never gonna let me live that one down.
Yeah. No.
I mean, honestly, it just went against every.
I could have executed on my own too. I didn't. I'm just frustrated with myself. Literally just ignored my system.
What's wild is we just push right through the demand we have and bounce below it. So wasn't at least it didn't match my hourly zones. This ES zone is my last hope for today of catching a trade. If it invalidates, I'm done. What are you watching for now, Jayden, that we missed the initial reversal candle?
Honestly, not a whole lot.
There you go. I run a few people off talking about that. Seems like. That's all right. I feel like I'm the type of person you either love me or just hate me. There's not much in between. If you want to trigger people, when I post on X, former Twitter, sometimes I'll type like the way you speak in the South. I trigger so many people. And they're always like, this is, try to act like I don't know how to spell it. My aunt was an English teacher, so I got corrected every day of my life. But it is fun. It's crazy though. You misspell stuff like that or just talk different. That's gonna get you the most interaction for those trying to grow. I don't know why it just triggers people. Brings in the audience. I have 3 brothers. Three brothers. 2 of them are doctors. I think one of them's is a PA. I think the other one's an MD, if I'm not mistaken. Don't really keep up with them too as much. No, I'm the youngest child. I'm the youngest out of all my brothers. Sellers are stepping back in. We might get that trend yet. Typically, when we get above VWAP, though, it pushes up to a pre-market level, pre-market high level. What you all watching, Team Bull? Anything? It's time for you all to give me a trade. We could possibly flag here as well. Keep that in mind. Could form a bull flag. I missed it. Missed that. My bad. Saucy. I have a meeting on the bot today, and I'll drop an update for you all on my Instagram later, okay? The meeting's at 1:30 Eastern. I'm gonna watch this bull flag. Didn't that work? Is anyone's trade evade being weird? It's gonna take this bull flag. I can't. My order's not going through. Huh. It's not showing up at least. I better check my phone. I was gonna wait for it to pull back some. Did it pick up my order or not? Oh, evidently my trade evade's not working, everyone. This is a good thing. Looks like it's trying to fail this breakout. Well, I'll try to find you all a trade, I guess. Is anyone having, Team Bull, is anyone having issues with their trade evade? Mine's not taking my orders. Or if it is, it's not showing. If you're having issues on desktop, that makes sense. That's where mine is. Hopefully it didn't take none of them orders. I was gonna try this breakout here to the upside. No, I was trying to go long is what I was trying to do. I can't do it though, so I don't know what. Guess I was hanging out with you all.
Oh, we do. No way. We retested that 15-minute high, too.
Yeah, I was trying my best to get a long entry in there, but I couldn't.
Oh, no. I got up. I just got back to my desk. Wow. Textbook retest of the 15-minute high. I mean, oh gosh, I'm just missing entries left and right today. Unbelievable. Look at that. You're on screen share. Look at that.
YouTube, I'm gonna hop off here and try to get my Trade of 8 stuff working. You all know what I'm watching for. I don't know what the issue is, but I will be live tomorrow as well. So, appreciate you all.